Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings of clothing subscription services and also makeup beauty subscription services. So if you like watching those kind of unboxing videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. And for my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for this week's video, I have a brand new box to my channel, and this is a makeup beauty subscription box called BabeBox. BabeBox, I wrote down some notes so I don't forget to tell you guys anything. BabeBox is a beauty box. You get 4 to 6 full-size items, full size. It could be skincare, bath and body, hair care, makeup, facial mask, and beauty accessories. And it will be valued at least $80. Now they have different subscription services. You can do it by month or do a 3-month, 6-month, 12-month. They have a special offer right now. If you want to try it, your first box is free, but you do have to pay shipping and handling, which is $6.95. And also, if you do the free box, just be aware that you do have to do 1 more month after the first box. So I only paid $6.95 for this. I have to do another month subscription service, which will be $35.95 for next month's box. So if you want to take advantage of that offer, I just wanted to make sure, because I wasn't clear. I thought you could get just 1 box for $6.95 and then cancel if you don't like it. But I read the fine print and I just wanted to spread the news so you guys wouldn't, if you don't want to do that, you know, just be aware. But it is 1 month, $29 plus $6.95 shipping and handling. You could do the 3 months and that will take it down to $27 plus shipping. If you do the 6 months, $26 plus shipping, and if you do a whole year, it's $24 plus shipping. So I'm excited to open this and see what I got. 4 to 6 full-size products, and I only paid $7 for it, and can't wait to see what they sent me. So how about we open it and get right into it. Now, I already took it out of the box, the packaging, and this is the way it looks inside. It says BabeBox. Spread the BabeBox love. Post and tag #LoveBabeBox. And it does look like they give you a description card of everything in the box. And this is the way it looks. Let's see what they say here. May your day be as flawless as your makeup. The BabeBox team. Okay, and then it says it says everything that's in my box, and it says my total box value is $102 value. So that's pretty good. So I'm excited to see what is actually in here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It is wrapped in this nice, beautiful tissue paper. Okay, I will pull this one out the first, and this looks like a face serum, and I'll hold it up here to the camera for you guys. And this says Cougar Beauty, I like that, Cougar Beauty 3D Facelift Serum. Facelift Serum? I'm paying attention. And it says this ultimate non-invasive facelift, loaded with nutrients, ceramides, glycerin, natural ingredients, and vitamins like C, K, and E. This 3D facelift serum works with anti-aging technology to combat the signs of aging, mimicking the procedure of a facelift. Well, I don't know if they're overselling that a little bit, but okay, I'll go with it. Without scarring, pain, and a hefty price tag. The 3D serum does 3 very important things. So, it detoxifies the skin, adding luminosity and glow, and the hyaluronic acid works to lock moisture into the skin. And they say the retail value of this is $25. So I will probably try this. This has definitely got my attention. I don't know if they're overselling it a little bit, but hey, I'll give it a try, and I will take notes and give you guys a product review on this one. Okay, here is the next item out, and this is a Lord & Berry Line Shade Eyeliner Pencil. And it looks like just your basic eyeliner pencil. And Lord & Berry is a very good name. And it says formulated with, I don't know what that word is. It's K-A-V-A-L and K-O-H-L to provide rich, consistent color. If you guys know how to pronounce those words, good on you. This water-resistant pencil, oh, I like water-resistant, is easy to apply and dash. Using small strokes to draw along the lash line, then blending in with a synthetic brush. Best of all, it can be used to create sharp lines or a softer smoky effect that won't cake or streak. Now that's a real eye-opener. Retail value, $19. And this is by Lord & Berry. So very good. I'm liking this box so far. And we have another eye product coming out, and that is this. And this is called Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow. And this is in the color, it might be in small print, so it's kind of hard for me to read. Oh, rose gold. Oh, rose gold eyeshadow, okay. And that is a pretty color. Let me open this. Okay, I'm getting it open. Rose gold. Oh, that looks very beautiful. Ah. I think I'm going to be excited about trying this one. That is beautiful. I love that color. Okay, let's see what it says about this. This is from Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow, and it says this highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow is exactly what your vanity was missing. The liquid formula adds multi-dimensional shimmer to the eye look, giving it sparkle that looks almost unachievable. Value, $18. Okay, I'm liking that. That's a really beautiful color. I'm definitely gonna play with that. So we have eyeliner and eyeshadow so far with a facelift in a bottle. Okay, let's go on, and it looks like we have some more eye product to play with. And this is Bella Pierre Peach Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. And this is an exclusive to the box. And it says this compact palette packs quite a punch, allowing for multiple looks with 4 different trending shadows. From natural romantic looks, yay, to sunset inspired glam. Peach Blossom brings the best of Bella Pierre's mineral eyeshadow formula in the on-the-go packaging. And this retail value is $25. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. And there's the colors. And what it says is 4 pressed eyeshadow palettes. So they are pressed palettes. So that is the colors. I'm not going to actually swatch those because I might do this in a giveaway. I don't know if that's exactly a color I like. And these are like more shimmer shades. So this might go in a product giveaway. So I'll save this one and I won't swatch it. But it looks nice. It's just not my personal colors. I'm more excited about this rose gold and definitely the eyeliner and the face mask in a bottle. Okay, the last item out of this. Before I do that, let me show you the box. It's super cute. They got the little things in here. And this is Babe. And what is this? This is Babe Cosmetics, and it says collagen infused lip mask. And it says the natural collagen infused lip mask by Babe Cosmetics create full lips appearance, reduces fine lines, hydrates, softens, and firms skin around your lip area. You'll feel the difference within seconds. And as silly as it looks, this mask works wonders. Retail value, $15. So let's look inside the box. And it looks like there's five lip masks in here. So that is awesome. I'm definitely gonna try that. So, for my first box, my overall first opinion is I like this. But 4 out of the 5 products I'm definitely gonna be using. So I will definitely use these lip masks. I love this rose gold shadow, like beautiful. And I can't wait to try the facelift in a bottle. If any of you have any experience with this, let me know down in the comment section. And also, I will enjoy this eyeliner and the little Bella Pierre Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette I will put in a giveaway. So overall, I'm pretty happy. Oh, and one more thing before I go, guys. I forgot to tell you, I got my Earfleek for the month of April. And these are the earrings I got. I got these, like these first ones, the ones that are hanging, I received these in Earfleek, I think my first month I got them. And then this month I received these little studs in the second hole. And I thought they went together nicely. So if you're interested in Earfleek also, I will also leave a link down below for those. Okay, now, goodbye. Have a great day. And until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.